probably doing this DIY a little tipsy was not the best idea. Hey Cocos, and welcome back to another video with me, Coco. Thank you so much for joining the Coco train today. And from the title, I know that you're here just to see if I mess up this DIY. This is going to be the first of many little things that I'll be doing in my house. Yes, my house. Because we bought a house this year and we moved in, and it's just been a roller coaster of emotions and work. And very soon I will be doing a little living room and a kitchen tour with you. Cocos, how are you guys doing today? Leave me in the comment section below how you doing today. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Huh? What have you been up to? If you want to talk to me, you can always reach out to me by mail. Not just the perverts who are asking for all sorts of videos. What is YouTube land? Oh, guys, I made myself a little cocktail, you know, to boost my energy. Because this is going to be something totally new. Guys, I'm feeling very Amarish with this wig. It's giving me a lot of Amari vibes because these are the types of wigs that she would wear, you know? So yeah, rise. Cocos, let's get into the video. Let me talk to you about this wall behind me a bit. This wall behind me, I'm going to actually break it down in probably a year or two. Like a year and a half, because there's another big thing that we're doing upstairs. So like we're just gonna wait to do this one. But probably in like a year and a half, we're going to break down this wall and create an amazing dining room space just behind it. Because we do have a lot of space here, it's just that it's not big enough for a table. And it's going to look too choco. Yes, so we're gonna open up. So this is why I am experimenting with this wall. Do you understand? I need our drill. Yeah, so this works. All right, next. I need this thing. I don't know what do you know what this is, Cocos? Can you tell me what the name is in English? I'm going to say it's an equalizer. I don't know. But tell me what this is, please. I need a total of 12 nails like this. I need a tape measure. Yeah. And I have the shelves. I think that's about it. So the first thing that I need to do is to measure the wall. So let's do that. Okay, Cocos. I just pierced the wall 2 times. I'm gonna try to put on the shelf. Let's see if it actually works. I didn't tell you guys, but before there was a television that was attached to the wall, and also there was a hole that they had to pierce in the wall. So that's another reason why I'm breaking down this wall. So I'm gonna attach the shelf. You're gonna tell me if I'm doing it correctly. If it's not being done correctly, please leave me a comment below if you think I'm working crazy. Cocos! So the first hole literally missed by a mark, and I don't know what I'm going to do. As you can see, Cocos, I've got the first one up. I need to fill the hole that's beside it. I have the thing to fill the hole that's beside it, so that's fine. Now to get the others up. Chérie? 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 J'ai besoin de quelque chose. Hey! Hey Cocos, the battery died. We ran out of, you know, those nail stoppers. So Thomas had to go to the hardware. Whew! Alright, so we just got the nail stoppers. We have enough, I think. Just need 6 more because we have 3 more to put up. Well, 2 more after this. It has been a learning experience. I fucked up. I have messed up, and you know, I'm rolling with the punches. Let's, you know, see if I do it better this time.
tu le mets vers le haut ou vers en haut? Ah non, non, non. Non. On peut se recoller. Avec ta super glue là. Tu mets un peu de super glue et puis ça ira.
Cocos, I made so many mistakes. You wouldn't even believe it. The battery on the camera died. Thomas had to go and get some other nails. I punched so many holes that were not necessary. This is a DIY that, you know, tested my strength. But I'm out. Overall, I am proud of it. And I put up some little things on it. I put up a little globe, a little Buddha, a little aloe vera plant. I don't think it's an aloe vera. I think it's like a small cactus. But, you know, as we go along, I'll think of something else to put in inside. I'm also going to be buying other shelves because 6 now work for the wall, yeah. And since we're gonna break it down, why not put some more? Tell me, Cocos, what else can I put on this wall? Don't be afraid to write it down in the comment box below. You are coming along with me for the home decor. All right, so now we're gonna go have dinner with some friends. So, bye.